Ever wanted to transform an amazing image into your very own animated creation? Let's dive in. First, let's start by opening Adobe Animate and creating a new document. Now, navigate to File, then Import, and then select Import to Stage. Find your reference image. That will be your image base. Your chosen reference image should now appear on your stage, but before we start tracing, let's make sure we can see what we are doing. Head over to the Layers panel. That's where the magic happens. Right-click on the layer containing your reference image and select Properties. In the Layer Properties panel, look for Layer Type. This is key here. Choose Reference. This designates the image as a guide. Create a new layer by clicking the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. This is where you'll draw your animation. Now, drag your reference image layer to the very bottom of your layer stack. That helps you keep your reference behind whatever you are drawing on top of it. Select your drawing tool. Your choice is limitless. Trace over your reference image, creating the animation. Feel free to adjust the opacity of the reference layer in the color panel to make it easier to see your drawing. As you create more frames, you can edit and view your animation. Don't forget to add a great background. Now go and create something amazing.